Hi everyone, my name is Ian Scribner, and today I'm going to show you how to scan a complete vehicle using the T-Scan Hawk from start to finish. We're here at Rahal Letterman Lanigan Racing, and I'll be going through the entire process on this Indy car. First thing that you need to consider is what areas on the vehicle need to be scanned. This will determine what kind of setup we need. In our case, we need to scan the complete vehicle, including the underside. So we'll have the car on the lift. Continuing the setup, we need to place our reference points. The T-Scan Hawk has a very large measuring volume, up to 600 by 500 millimeters. So we have to keep this in mind when determining the reference point spacing. We should also place some of the smaller reference points where we want to capture small details later on with the fine scan mode. Now that our reference points are on, we can set up the photogrammetry. This includes placing the coded markers. GOM-Inspect uses the coded markers to automatically align the pictures we take during the photogrammetry. Last but not least, we place the scale bars and then start taking the images. For a successful photogrammetry shoot, you want to capture the vehicle from many different angles. So you may need a ladder to help you take pictures from up above. Now that we've captured all of the images we need, we can see the bundled point cloud in the software. With this step complete, we can now remove the coded markers and scale bars and start scanning. We use the red crosses to scan in the majority of the vehicle. This lets us cover large areas quickly. We can use the single red laser to scan into hard-to-reach areas. This mode can be good for scanning hard-to-reach places in the interior of a car. For smaller features needing more resolution, we can scan in the fine scan mode using the blue parallel laser lines. We can toggle between these modes by using the button on the back of the scanner. Now, our scan is complete, we can polygonize with the checkered flag icon and then analyze the final scan. We hope you learned how to scan your own vehicle, and we look forward to seeing you next time.